Dear student of innovative group of institution, congratulations all of you. Your college has launched a mobile app for using college activities. So I am here to tell you how to download and install the mobile app. You have to open Google Play Store, then type Innovative Group of College and then click on Install. After successfully installation, the app icon will be available in your phone app list and open the app and enter your ID and password. If you do not have user ID and password, then contact to ERP admin. After successfully login, you will get all information about your college and yours. So you can do many real-time messages and alerts. You can also pay your fee online and also can be show the student leisure. So enjoy and study digitally with us.